Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Alika Azhara, NPM 234111090. Okay, here I will explain about psychological aspect in organizational leadership. Leadership from a psychological perspective. Organizational leadership is the ability of an individual to influence, guide, and motivate others to work together toward achieving organizational goals. From a psychological perspective, leadership is not merely related to formal authority or position, but also involves mental process, emotion, attitude, values, and behavioral patterns of both leader and followers. Psychological aspect in leadership focus on how internal factors such as motivation, perception, emotion, and personality shape in leadership behavior, decision making, and interpersonal relationship within our organization. Leadership personality. Personality is one of the most important psychological aspects of leadership. It reflects consistent patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving that distinguish an individual from another. Effective leadership often demonstrates personality traits such as self-confidence and emotional stability, responsibility and integrity, openness to new ideas and experience, emotional control, goal orientation. A leader's personality influence their leadership style include democrat, authoritarian, transactional, or transformalization leadership. Motivation in leadership. Motivation refer to the internal drive that direct individual to act in certain ways. In leadership, motivation play a dual role. One, the leader's motivation to lead and achieve success. Two, the leadership ability to motivation subordinate. Leaders will understand employee psychological needs such as recognition, security, and self-actualization are more effective in enhancing job satisfaction, commitment, and overall performance. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own emotion as well as the emotion of others. This aspect is crucial in organization leadership. Key component of emotional intelligence include self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, motivation, social skill. Leadership with high emotional intelligence are better at managing conflict, fostering positive work environment, and building strong interpersonal leadership. Perception and decision making. Perception is the process through which individuals interpret information from their environment. In leadership, perception significantly affect how leaders evaluate employee performance, identify organizational problems, make strategic decisions. Perspectual error, such as bias or stereotype, may lead to subject and ineffective decisions. Therefore, leader must develop objective thinking and critical analysis skill. Attitude and value of leaders. Attitude and value form the psychological foundation of leadership behavior. Values such as honesty, fairness, responsibility, and ethical awareness influence how leaders act and make decisions. Leaders who possess positive values serve as role model for employees and contribute to the development of a healthy and ethical organizational culture. Communication and interpersonal relationship. Psychological aspects of leadership are strongly reflected in communication and interpersonal skill. Leader must understand individual difference in personality, emotion, and psychological background among team members. Effective leadership communication includes active listening, constructive feedback, clear and consistent direction, respect for other options, strong interpersonal relationship, interest, trust, collaboration, and employee engagement. Stress management and mental resilience. Leaders of face high level of pressure and responsibility. Therefore, mental resilience and stress management are essential psychological aspects of leadership. Leaders who can manage stress effectively are more likely to remain rational in decision making, provide emotional stability for their team, adapt successfully to organizational change and crisis. Impact of psychological aspect on leadership effectiveness. Positive psychology characteristic in leadership directly influence employer motivation and performance, job satisfaction and organizational commitment, organizational climate and culture, achievement of organizational objective. Conversely, a lack of psychological awareness in leadership may result in conflict, low morale, and decreased organizational effectiveness. Conclusion: psychological aspects play a critical role in organizational leadership effectiveness. Personality, motivation, emotional intelligence, perception, values, and communication skill are interacted psychological factors that shape leadership behavior. Therefore, effective leader must develop not only technical and managerial competencies but also strong psychological awareness to lead organization successfully and sustainability. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.